Now on Palm Beach TV.
It would be very helpful to have someone who already knows these laws to help us adjudicate these cases when we bring them forward.
Palm Beach is stepping up oversight on its waterways. Details on a new enforcement approach. A change in direction. A new traffic pattern is in effect on Sunset Avenue. And brewing up important information for residents. The Civic Association's Healthcare Committee holds its last coffee connection of the season. Those stories straight ahead.
The Palm Beach Civic Association brings you Palm Beach TV, the island's only newscast, sponsored by the Fortin Foundation of Florida. Now, the news.
Welcome to Palm Beach TV. I'm Sally Lewis. The town is adding a new layer when it comes to enforcing the rules in its waterways. In this Right News Follow the Story, the town council has appointed a special magistrate for maritime and coastal code cases as enforcement ramps up in the Lake Worth Lagoon. The move comes amid increased law enforcement in the lagoon, including towing vessels and citing violations for illegal mooring, anchoring limits, and safety rules. Chapter 74 of the town code governs parks and recreation, including beaches, waterways, and boats. To handle these complex cases, the town sought a Florida attorney with specific maritime and coastal law experience. Paul Nicoletti, based in Stewart, said his experience working in the coastal city makes him well qualified to handle these cases.
And I was in Stewart for 12 years, 6 years as city attorney, 6 years as city manager. Stewart has three sides of water and lots of moorings and lots of anchorage and lots of people who try and take advantage of all of that. And so perhaps I'm uniquely situated just to be able to deal with that little slice of the law.
A special magistrate can hold hearings, take testimony, issue findings, and assess fines, steps that help reduce legal errors and strengthen enforcement actions on appeal, according to the town.
I think the key purpose in bringing this forward is there is, as the chief mentioned, a specialized knowledge surrounding maritime and coastal law. It is confusing. It is certainly a new area for us. It's constantly evolving the challenges that we've developed strategies legally to overcome.
The town council voted unanimously to approve the appointment of Nicoletti in a special meeting Monday, March 30th.
Ms. Lindsay?
Yes.
After a decade on the council, this was retiring Council President Bobby Lindsay's final meeting. Council member-elect Nikki McDonald, along with re-elected council member Lou Crampton and Bridget Moran, who ran unopposed for a second term, will be sworn in on Tuesday, April 14th. The town says traffic complaints are down 30% this season, and the recent changes on Sunset Avenue may help even further. Sunset Avenue is officially a two-way street again with the addition of a traffic signal at Bradley Place. Palm Beach police say so far, no traffic accidents reported. Traffic in Palm Beach can be challenging, and this change is one way the town is working to ease congestion. A study by Public Works confirmed that a traffic signal was needed at the intersection of Bradley Place and Sunset Avenue. To make the transition smoother, the street has been restriped and repainted, and some parking spots were removed to help trucks make the turn from Bradley Place. Police officers are also conducting selective enforcement while educating the community about the new traffic patterns. Throughout the season, Palm Beach residents gathered for coffee, conversation, and community at the Mandel Recreation Center. The Civic Association's Healthcare Committee hosted 3 coffee connections and 2 emergency procedures classes with Palm Beach Fire Rescue, giving residents a chance to learn about healthy living and discover how fire rescue serves the community. The final coffee connection took place on March 25th with Fire Rescue's Sergeant Kristen Ruist. If you missed out this season, there will be more opportunities to connect, learn, and engage planned for next season. As the Civic Association's 82nd season comes to a close, please join us for the annual meeting and Mayor's State of the Town address. You'll also meet this year's Kunkel Award winner for meritorious service to the community. Join us Monday, April 13th at 10 a.m. at the Flagler Museum. RSVP at palmbeachcivic.org under Programs and Forums. And that wraps up Palm Beach TV. Stay up to date with the island's only newscast at palmbeachcivic.org and through our social media. Until next time, thank you for watching.
Palm Beach TV is a production of the Palm Beach Civic Association. We thank our sponsor, the Fortin Foundation of Florida, and encourage you to let us know how we can further provide news coverage that best serves our members and residents.